Hey guys, today I woke up at 1:33 a.m. I can't really sleep, but at least my friends are sleeping. We got back from the restaurant, and the restaurant's actually the greatest restaurant we have. Yo, what? I heard a door. Hey, dude. You woke up? Yeah, I got a notification. Wait 1 sec. I have my phone up. I got a text from the trucking planet dealership saying that my 6.0 power stroke has been done fixing. You know, aka my truck. The truck 4 years ago. Here's the backstory. 4 years ago, remember we had a 6.0 power strokes. I had a 6.0 power stroke. I named him Small Beast. So Small Beast and I were driving as fast because we wanted to show you something. You know, remember? Then when I drove past you, my car started drifting, and I hit that camera and the middle pole, which really damaged my wheel and the side of my truck. I just got a notification by the trucking planet company saying that they fixed it and they're done with it, they're asking me if I want it back. I said yes, and they said let's meet at tomorrow morning. So we're gonna meet tomorrow morning and stuff. Alright, bro. I'm gonna go watch some TV. Alright. Alright. I'm back. I just got a text. What? They said we could come at any time. Hopefully we don't wake up. Monkey Kid Sigma. Yeah, we have changed in the last 4 years. Yeah. Now I'm more like, I cut in my hair, and I'm more now into trucks, and I have a better smell. On the other hand, Monkey Kid Sigma isn't has just been changing. He has a beard, and he looks like a man. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. He has changed for over the last 4 years. Yeah, you're right. But he still has the same voice. Oh, he woke up. Hey guys. Hey dude. Hey. You wanna go in the car? Yeah. Because we just got news that Kenna's truck is done being repaired. Yeah. I'll wait for you guys in the truck. You guys could get ready, alright? Alright, guys. Let me just unlock the door. So his truck came back, huh? Wow. Hopefully he doesn't destroy it like the last time. My 6.0 Power Stroke right now is with my cousin because he needs it for a while till he has kids. I can't wait to get my truck back. Yep. I'm gonna also have to switch my truck. Yo, what are you getting? No, I'm getting a Toyota. Yeah. Or maybe something else. I don't know what I'm gonna get. Alright, we're here. I'll take it out and I'll show you guys. Alright? Yo, there it is. It's finally out of retirement. Yo. Yo, he's actually out of retirement. Let me get mine and here's mine. I'm gonna take a picture, bro. Oh, my truck. Oh. Yo, this looks sick. I'm gonna have to take a picture. Yeah, bro. It has come back. After years of retirement, it has came back. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna get my truck. A new truck. I'm gonna keep this one for now, but I'm gonna need a new truck. Out of retirement after over 4 years. Actually 5 years because it's 2026. Yeah. 5 years of being not touched and it still works. It's like crazy. Yeah, I know. I haven't touched this thing in 5 years ever since that car crash. Or you could call it a truck crash. It's been so long. So long. Like so long. And it's finally out of retirement. I'm like so happy. proud of you, bro. Thanks. It means something to me. This truck is my dream. This truck was in my dream. Now I have it in real life. Beautiful truck. I really miss this truck. I just really miss my truck. We have finally got the truck back working. Back on the road. I've been waiting years and years, and I finally got it. I finally achieved my dream. We have finally got the truck out of retirement. Now, we can finally just drive on the road again. Old pals meet again. My truck and this truck. It's been so long. Yeah, it's been very long. I miss my truck. It's so freaking long. But at least we have our trucks back on the road. Like his, this is a nice power stroke. Mine's a nice power stroke. We both have a nice power stroke. Ding. Oh, I got a text. Oh, I got it from Monkey Kid Signal. Sorry, for a second I forgot his name. So annoying. Yo, you good? Yeah, I'm fine. It's just I'm happy that my truck is on the road again. Hey, yo, what's up? What's up, Monkey Kid Simmer? I just bought my truck. I'm gonna customize it. Alright. It was like 27K. I had it 30K on me. That's good. Monkey Kid Sigma said he's bringing his new truck. So, can't wait to see it. Been driving his old 1997 Chevy for a long time. Now, the Chevy has retired, but we're using somebody else. Yeah. But we're a long day, but beautiful. It's a beautiful day now since Monkey Kid Sigma got his new RAM. We both got our 6.0 Power Stroke. No, but mine's in the shop for a few months, so it's 5 years. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. See ya guys later, alright? Bye.